From the Stream Television Studios, here's your free Mercer News Update.
From the Stream Television Studios, this is your free Mercer News Update. A 19-year-old Greenville man is charged with 2 counts of arson for setting fire to the rental property where he lived. Seth R. Zarecki, 19, was arrested Saturday, February 15th, by Greenville West Salem police. He was renting a property at 186 Clarksville Street from Dino Tafani. Greenville Fire Department worked to contain the blaze that destroyed the home on Tuesday, February 11th. Zarecki started the fire in the basement of the home. He was charged with arson, danger of bodily injury or death, and arson intent to collect insurance. He was transferred to Mercer County Jail after failing to post bond. He's scheduled for a preliminary hearing at 1:15 p.m. February 24th before Magisterial District Judge Brian Arthur. Zarecki is involved in 2 separate active criminal cases involving possession of marijuana and drug possession and numerous counts of theft of leased property. On Wednesday, February 12th at approximately 1:45 p.m., Grove City Police responded to 217 Grace Street, Apartment B for a service call. This response led to a search warrant being obtained for the apartment, which led to the seizure of marijuana packaging equipment and scales. Moises Ferreira, 19, was charged with possession and with intent to deliver controlled substance and possession of a small amount of marijuana. Carly Covert and Jaquay Davis, 20, were charged with possession of small amount of marijuana and possession of drug paraphernalia. All 3 were arraigned before duty magistrate Songer. Ferreira was transferred to Mercer County Jail on $10,000 bond. Covert and Davis were released on bail. A preliminary hearing has been set for all 3 at 1 p.m. on February 19th. On Thursday, February 13th, Time Warner Cable announced an agreement to merge with Comcast. Current TWC customers throughout Greenville, the Shenango Valley, and the outlying communities will begin to receive information concerning the merger by mid-2014. In recent months, local concerned TWC customers have taken to the internet to voice their opinions on the quality of service provided by TWC. Many are hoping to receive increased quality in the television signal, internet speeds, and higher quality of equipment as Comcast takes over providing services to the area. The company said the merger agreement between Comcast and Time Warner Cable is subject to shareholder approval at both companies and regulatory review and other customary conditions, which is expected to close by the end of 2014. From the Stream Television Studios, this has been your free Mercer News Update. I'm Mark Heim.